gone yet from September 3rd.
After Hurricane Melissa mashed up power lines across Jamaica, JPS said full repairs could take until mid-year 2026 without extra help. So the Jamaican government stepped in, offering JPS $150 million loan to fast-track the work. That means more line crews, more trucks, and faster restoration for people still in darkness. But here's the catch. JPS is a private company, and people are asking, why is taxpayer money being used to help them? Energy Minister Darrell Vaz says the loan is short-term, low interest, and will help get light back by early 2026 instead of year 2027. The government also refused to extend JPS's license, so no long-term deals. But they're keeping negotiations open for better terms in the future. So yes, JPS gets help, but Jamaicans want accountability. And that's the real conversation.